Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,900, well-maintained classic pickup powered by a dependable 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 175,000 miles, this truck has been well cared for over the years and continues to run strong with no known mechanical issues. Finished in a sharp red exterior with a matching red interior, it has a bold and classic appearance that stands out wherever it goes. This fully loaded truck comes equipped with features that are all in working condition, including an ice-cold air conditioning system that keeps the cabin comfortable even on hot days. The truck starts easily, drives smoothly, and performs exactly as it should. It has recently received many new parts as part of its upkeep, showing the level of care and maintenance it has received from previous ownership. In addition, it sits on a brand new set of tires, making it ready for daily driving, weekend cruising, or truck shows. The short bed stepside body style gives it a highly desirable classic look, while the clean title adds extra peace of mind for the next owner.
Number 2.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,755, well-maintained classic pickup that combines vintage style with everyday practicality. Powered by a dependable 5.0L V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, this truck delivers strong performance and smooth driving. With 164,000 miles on the odometer, it has clearly been cared for and remains in great condition for its age. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck has a classic appearance that stands out wherever it goes. It is equipped with a fully functioning air conditioning system, making it comfortable to drive even in warmer weather. The 4x4 drivetrain adds extra capability for off-road use, bad weather, or hauling needs, while the great set of tires helps provide a confident and stable ride. This Chevrolet 1500 also comes with a camper top and a bed mat, adding both convenience and utility for storage, travel, or work purposes.
Number 3.
1985 Ford F350, price $10,000, rust-free southern truck powered by a strong 7.5L big block V8 paired with a smooth automatic transmission.
Showing just 86,000 original miles, this two-wheel drive pickup has been well maintained and remains in excellent condition inside and out.
Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the truck presents very nicely and still retains a classic, period-correct appearance. The engine starts right up and runs great, while the transmission shifts smoothly through all gears. All gauges are fully functional, and the frame is reported to be in excellent shape. It also comes with brand new tires all around and a fresh oil change. The paint job was completed a few years ago and continues to hold up nicely. The AC system is installed but may need a recharge or further servicing.
A clean title is included. Number 4.
1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,000, powered by a strong 5.7L TBI 350 engine paired with a rebuilt transmission, making it a reliable and solid-running classic pickup. It features a new custom dual exhaust system with headers, a KN cold air intake filter, and a jet performance chip that adds up to 60 horsepower for improved performance. The truck has been lowered for a more aggressive stance and comes with new shocks all around for a smoother ride. Cosmetically, the hood and tailgate have been freshly repainted, while the tinted windows and spray-in bed liner add both style and practicality.
Recent upgrades also include a new radiator and alternator.
The interior comes with new carpet ready to be installed, making the Sierra a well-maintained and nicely upgraded truck overall.
Number 5.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000, powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 157,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in black with a clean beige interior, this 4x4 pickup has a strong presence both on and off the road. It comes equipped with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, a cowl hood, and a bed liner for added functionality and style. The truck sits on a set of 24 Venice wheels wrapped in 35 12.5 24 tires, giving it an aggressive and eye-catching stance. It runs and drives great down the highway, with solid performance from the V8 and smooth shifting from the automatic transmission. The exterior presents well overall, and the truck has the kind of look that stands out wherever it goes. While the Sierra is not a perfect show truck, it is a very slick and dependable pickup that offers both style and capability.
A clean Oklahoma title is included. Number 6.
1997 Chevrolet S10, price $4,000. This truck comes with a clean title and features the desirable single cab configuration, making it a great option for anyone looking for a simple, reliable, and easy-to-drive pickup. Powered by a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, it delivers an old-school driving experience with smooth shifting and solid reliability. With 210,000 miles on the odometer, this S10 has been driven and enjoyed while still maintaining its strong character and practical functionality. The truck is equipped with Cooper Cobra radial G/T tires featuring raised white lettering, adding a sporty vintage appearance that complements the classic body style perfectly. The tires give the truck an aggressive stance and help it stand out from typical compact pickups.
Number 7.
1988 Ford F250, price $7,000. The truck is powered by a reliable 4.9L inline-six gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has 187,000 miles on the odometer and features a tan exterior with a matching tan interior, along with manual windows and locks. The truck has been owned for several years and has received extensive maintenance and upgrades during that time, including a new clutch master cylinder, brake booster, brake master cylinder, brakes and hardware, ignition system, newer fuel tanks and hardware, alternator, battery, radio, speakers, newer paint job, spray and bed liner, and Phoenix graphic decal stripe.
It runs and drives exceptionally well for its age, offers plenty of power, and the transmission shifts smoothly. Number 8.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $4,500, powered by a dependable 2.3-liter inline-4 engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a solid and practical compact pickup. With 221,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered Ranger has remained in impressive condition thanks to being carefully maintained by the same family since new. Finished in white, the truck has a very clean appearance inside and out, and the body is completely rust-free, which is becoming increasingly difficult to find on older Rangers. The interior has been well preserved, reflecting the care this truck has received over the years. Recent maintenance includes a timing belt replacement, helping ensure dependable performance for its next owner. It also features brand new wheels wrapped in fresh Hankook tires, giving the truck an updated look and improved ride quality.
Number 9.
1977 Toyota Hilux, price $2,950, equipped with a reliable 20 or 4-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 2WD short wheelbase setup.
It shows approximately 99,000 miles on the 5-digit odometer, although the exact mileage is unknown.
Finished in yellow with a black interior, this gasoline-powered classic still runs and drives well. It would make an excellent restoration candidate or fun project truck. The body does have typical rust in the rockers and lower fenders, so it is not a perfect example, but it has plenty of character and quirky personality that makes these old Hilux trucks so desirable.
A clean Washington title is included. Number 10.
1990 Ford Ranger, price $2,800, powered by a fuel-injected 2.9L V6 engine paired with a smooth-shifting manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. Showing 147,000 miles, this classic pickup features a white exterior with a striking red interior that feels like stepping back in time. Running on gasoline, the truck starts easily, drives perfectly, and delivers surprisingly strong acceleration with plenty of pep when hitting the gas. The clutch is healthy, the manual transmission shifts smoothly through every gear, and the engine pulls strong with dependable performance. A Pioneer head unit has been installed for upgraded audio, while a brand new radiator and battery add extra reliability.
As a 1990 model, the truck is also exempt from Bernalillo County emissions requirements, meaning no more frustrating emissions testing.